This is our lesson overview. We will start with 3 new words, then today's grammar, then we will practice making sentences using the words and the grammar pattern that we learned today. Today's vocab. Please pause the video if you need to practice more. 저, which means I in polite form. 아빠, it means dad. 엄마, it means mom. Today's grammar. Today we will learn how to introduce ourselves and our family. Let's look at the sample sentence. 저는 민호입니다. 저는 민호입니다. I am Minho. We learnt 저 today, which is I. Minho is a name. Then what are 는 and 입니다? 는 is a subject particle and 입니다 is a be verb. This is what we're going to learn today. 는, 은, subject particle. 는, 은 is a subject particle that we attach to a subject. What is a subject and what is a particle? More detailed explanation will be in a bonus clip, so please watch that video clip as well. To use 는, 은 subject particle, you need to know vowel and consonant. Vowel in English are A, E, I, O, U. And in Korean, it's A, Ya, O, Yo, and so on. And consonants are everything that's not vowel. If the subject ends with a vowel, we add 는. For example, Minho ends with this O sound, so we add 는. But remember, this 민호는 is not a complete sentence. It's just the subject part of the sentence. And if the word ends with a consonant, like 정국, which ends with this G sound, we add 은, 정국은. So 동해는, 엄마는, but 지민은, and 진은. 입니다 is a be verb, like am, are, and is. Again, I will explain more in detail in the bonus clip. 아빠입니다. 아빠입니다 is dad. Again, this 아빠입니다 is still not a full sentence because it's missing a subject. It doesn't say who is dad. 엄마입니다. 엄마입니다. 티파니입니다. 티파니입니다. Now, let's practice together. We need to say this sentence in Korean. I am Victoria. We should start with I. So I is 저. Then what's next? In English, am is the next step because it's I am Victoria. But remember, in Korean, we need to put a particle for the subject. So we need to put a subject particle here. So next step is 는. So 저는. And then we put the name Victoria. So 저는 Victoria. And we end the sentence with the be verb, which is 입니다. So the full sentence is 저는 빅토리아입니다. I am Victoria. Let's do another one. Dad is Tim. Start with dad. We learned this word today, 아빠. Again, we need a particle for the subject, so we put 는. 아빠는. Then the name, Tim. 아빠는 Tim. And we finish with a verb, 입니다. So 아빠는 팀입니다. That is Tim. Thanks for watching the very first lesson and have a nice day.